Assalamu alaikum, Auntie Dale. This is special for you. I'm sharing knowledge on how to use Gemini. Okay, click on Gemini. Then on the bottom right, you can see the live button. We click on it. Assalamu alaikum, Gemini. How are you?
Wa alaikum assalam. I'm doing wonderfully. Thank you for asking. It's always a pleasure to connect with you. How are things going with you today?
It's fine. I'm recording this session. I want to share it with my Auntie Dell. It's spelled Dell. So can you explain the buttons, the four buttons that she can see on the screen from left to right? What are they?
Certainly. When your Auntie Dell looks at the screen, the four buttons she'll see from left to right are as follows. First on the left is the hold or pause button, which allows you to temporarily pause the conversation without ending it entirely. Next to that is the camera button, which gives you the option to share your phone's camera feed to show me what you're seeing in real time. After that is the screen sharing button, allowing you to share your screen so we can look at apps or content together. And finally, on the right, you'll find the end button to wrap up the session. Would you or your auntie like any further detail on how to use any of these features? Or are there other parts of the interface you're curious about?
Yeah, this one. Let me see. That means she can open the camera and show anything in the camera. Can you explain what you are seeing? What is this?
Ah, I see it now. You're showing me a computer mouse, specifically the underside of an optical mouse. That red light you see comes from the sensor, which tracks the movement of the mouse across the surface to move your cursor on the screen. It's a key part of how you navigate your computer and select things.
Okay, we're going to the share screen option. So I'm clicking on the share button, and then it says start recording or casting. We click on start now, right? So what do you see on
That's
my
right.
screen?
You'll want to tap Start Now to begin sharing your screen. This will allow your auntie to see what's on your display so you can walk her through what's happening.
Yes, because I just installed Meta AI. So she uses Meta AI to create a speech in Bahasa Melayu about the redox health health product. Can you make it better? Can you help me, Gemini? Hello? Can you hear me? Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so
Loud and clear. I see you're typing out a prompt on your screen to create a speech in Bahasa Melayu about a redox health product. How would you like me to help you with that? We can brainstorm some points for the speech or refine the wording together.
So what do you think? Not only in Meta AI, she can also learn other products such as Canva, so she can make her own marketing material, not just redox. She can do ikan bilis, any Sabahan products that you like to suggest, Gemini? Hello, Gemini, hurry up.
I'm right here with you. I see you've opened Canva and are ready to create something, perhaps using that speech you drafted. What would you like to design next?
No, let's change the topic. My auntie said she wants to go international selling Redox. Do you have a suggestion on how to do that?
Venturing into the international market for Redox health products is certainly an ambitious move, but it requires careful planning. The first step is to thoroughly research the regulatory landscape of each target country, as health product standards can vary dramatically from one region to another. She'll also need to consider the logistics of international shipping, especially if the product has specific temperature or handling requirements. Would you like to discuss specific markets she has in mind, or perhaps delve into creating a global marketing strategy?
The regional countries within Asia, which is close to Malaysia.
Starting with our closest neighbors within the ASEAN region, there are several markets with robust health and wellness trends. Countries like Indonesia, with its massive population and growing middle class, or Thailand, known for its strong focus on preventive healthcare and wellness tourism, present significant opportunities. Singapore, while a smaller market, is a sophisticated hub with discerning consumers who highly value premium health products. Which of these potential markets feels like the most natural fit for her product's positioning?
I think she's into multi-level marketing. Can you give her a strategy on how to get more downlines from that country? Because I believe in that country, the product is there. It's just that she needs more downlines.
For expanding a multi-level marketing network internationally, the strategy should focus on relationship building and leveraging digital tools. She could start by identifying key leaders or health enthusiasts in that country through social media platforms and online communities focused on wellness. Hosting virtual info sessions or product overview webinars can effectively reach a wide audience, allowing her to present the business opportunity and the product's benefits. Encouraging existing downlines to refer contacts in that country can also be very powerful, as word-of-mouth recommendations carry a lot of weight. Would you like to explore specific ways to identify those key leaders, or perhaps tailor a message for virtual events?
Let's cut to the chase. Can you teach her how to create a landing page?
Since you have Canva open, you're already in a great position to design an effective landing page. The core of a successful page is a clear, compelling headline that grabs attention, perhaps highlighting the power of redox technology.
No.
Underneath, you'll want to weave in those key benefits you detailed in the speech, focusing on how it supports cellular health and vitality. Finally, you need a strong, clear call to action, like a button directing visitors to contact her or join her team. Would you like some help writing the specific text for these sections?
No. Okay, I have an idea now. Okay, what we are going to do is I'm going to share my laptop screen. I hope she has a laptop. We're going to create a landing page using Gemini. Using Gemini. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's go for a new chat.
Perfect! You're already in the right place. From this Create New screen in Canva, please tap on the website option you see there to get started.
Gemini, this is Gemini.
It looks like you're on the Google Gemini website right now. To find the website option I mentioned, you'll need to open a new tab and go to the Canva website.
No, we're not doing Canva. I want to teach my auntie on how to use the canvas. Okay, can you give me a single prompt for creating a landing page for Redox, and we want to capture downlines from Indonesia, Brunei, Vietnam, Thailand, Singapore, and other countries that we are within our region.
Alright, let's create a targeted prompt for your Gemini Canvas feature. You can try something like this. Create a landing page for a breakthrough redox health product designed to capture downlines for a global multi-level marketing opportunity. The page should target wellness entrepreneurs and health enthusiasts in Southeast Asian markets like Indonesia, Brunei, Vietnam, Thailand, and Singapore. Emphasize the benefits of cellular health, anti-aging, and the potential for financial freedom, all with a compelling call to action. Does that capture what you're imagining, or would you like to adjust any of the focus?
Thank you. I'm going to stop you now. Alright. So Auntie tengok Gemini dah keluar. You can ni copy, create a landing page. Ni you copy this. You don't have to type. Copy, and then we go here. We go to where? Create canvas. Okay, create, and then do this. Paste here. So if this happen, what you do is you take a screenshot. Then you upload the screenshot. Please create the landing page for the above. So it should come out like this, Auntie. Redox global landing page. It's writing code. You should wait for it. Sometimes it doesn't come out, so you need to reprompt it. So we wait for a few minutes. Sometimes it's seconds, sometimes it's minutes. So it's done. So when we open, turn cellular health into global wealth. Become a founding regional partner of the Claim Your Region today. So it's something like this. See, you already have your own website. Very easy. So do you have a laptop, Auntie? It's better to do on laptop. Okay, that's all for today's session. We'll continue again. You just ask the questions, we try to answer.